Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Trailer Explanation. In this video, we are going to cover the last unit of this mini project, import data and test the app. So basically, we are going to test whatever we have built as part of this project, build a data model for a travel approval app. But before we test it, we need some data, and data, how we are going to import it. We are going to import using the data import wizard, the standard out of the box tool or functionality provided by the Salesforce. We are going to utilize that. In order to do that, we have to import the data, and for that we need a CSV file. So how we are going to get that CSV file? It's in the first unit of our module. So let's quickly open this create a travel approval app on a new tab. Here, if you'll scroll, you can see that there is this downloadable link. You have to click on this, and this will download a zipped file for us. So you have to just keep this handy. Now we'll go back here, and so let's quickly open that file first. So you can see this is the data that's been that we have to upload or import using the data import wizard. So let's quickly go back there. You have to go to setup, home. Here, search for import, select data import wizard. Now scroll down and click on launch wizard. Now here you have to go to custom objects, select departments, select add new records. Then here you have to drag and drop that file that we just downloaded. So I have uploaded this. Just click on next. So here you can see that we have these headers in the CSV file, department name and department code, and these are getting mapped to the Salesforce field that we have created on the department object by the same label, department name and department code. So in the backend, that's the CSV is getting matched with the Salesforce department fields, and it is showing us examples that how the data will be mapped. So this is just simply the fields or the data that we have in our CSV file. Just click on next again. So we are mapping only two fields, and we are adding new records of the department's object. Just click on start import. Click OK. This has opened up bulk data load jobs, and here you can see our data has been successfully loaded. So what we'll do is to check, we'll go to the departments tab over here. Just click on. So here we are getting one record. This was the record which we had created as part of the previous unit's testing challenge. Quickly go to all list, and you can see the records have been uploaded. Now let's see what we have to do next. Now we have to simply test the app. So you can explore the app on your own, what data model we have created, how the things work, and etc. So so here, if you want to follow along, just go to the departments tab, click on recently views. We have seen all the records over there, and you can open one of the records as well. Let's say contract management. So there it is. The department code is this. Department name is contract management. Now we are going to create a sample travel approval record. So the purpose of the trip is attend Dreamforce. Let's go back here. Go to the related list. Create a new travel approval record. Paste it over here. Then status will be draft, and you can pick any date you want to for the start trip and end date. Out of station, this has to be checked, and destination state has to be CA. So let's just go back, select any of the start date and end date. Let's say it's 1 week trip. Select out of state, destination state has to be CA, and department is getting auto-populated. Click on save. So our travel approval record has been created. Now we have to add the expense as well. So let's just open this travel approval. Go to the related section of here, and we are going to add expense item records as well. So now the amount that we have to add here is 450. This is going to be the airfare expense, and the another one will be 870 of hotel. So let's just go back here, paste the amount. Expense type has to be airfare, and this is going to be associated for our to our newly created travel approval record. Click on save and new. Then it has to be 870, and travel expense will be hotel. Just click on save. So these were the two records, and that's how we tested our mini project or the application, the data model that we had created step by step, going through all the units, and this was the gist of this mini project that you have created. So just quickly go and verify your step and see if you have completed this module or not. Okay, so there is one issue that's coming up. This issue says that we cannot find the travel TA 00001 in travel approval object, or it does not have expense item child record. So this is happening because we had created test records earlier. So now this time the record that has been created of travel approval is TA 00003. But this challenge is specifically designed to check whether there is expense record under TA 00001. So what we'll do is we'll go to the travel approvals and we'll go to the TA 00001 record. And in the related section, we are going to create expense items. So let's try and create it over here. Expense 450 was for airfare and 870 for hotel. Okay. So let's just go back and check if we are able to complete this time. So there you go. We resolved one error that we got, and hope you learned something from that error as well, that how you can debug and solve issues. See you in the next video with another unit or module. Till then, take care. Goodbye.